Model, 2000 Iveco Daily 2.8 HDI 35S11 MWB camper conversion starts runs nice van no VAT. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 101011. Engine, 2798 ccN2 FLA-FKS. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Next cellular cable needs replacing. Unfortunately we couldn't find one, so decided to let the new owner fix it. Engine, clutch and gearbox are perfect. Straightforward accelerator cable replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear camping area is indecent. Average condition, genuine honest camper van. Features, fully fitted camper, Euro status, Euro. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664. Click the link in the description for pictures and more